Hello and welcome to Nupur's Kitchen. My today's recipe is pan-seared mustard fish, and here I'm using pink perch, which is also known as Rani Machli in Hindi. We will be using freshly ground mustard seeds for marination, and again we'll be frying it in mustard oil. Now let's see how to prepare this. Here I have taken two fishes of around 200 grams each, and we have made a deep cut on both the sides. And then we have used 1 tablespoon each of yellow and black mustard seeds, rice flour, lemon, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, garam masala powder, salt, turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, mustard oil, and then we need one mortar and pestle, tissues, and a bowl to mix all the ingredients. Now take a kitchen tissue and pat dry your fish from both the sides. Now let's pound our mustard seeds. Here I have taken about 1 tablespoon each of black and yellow mustard seeds, and now I'll be roughly crushing it. I'm not making a fine powder out of it. Just see how I'm doing it. I'm just pressing it and mixing. We can also add salt to this right now only. It will help in pounding it well. So now here I am adding salt. I would like to have half tablespoon salt for both the fishes. You can adjust the quantity of salt as per your taste. And now I'll just pound it well. Once done, we'll now take it out in a bowl and start preparing our marinade mix. So now I am adding 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, around half tablespoon of red chili powder, and half tablespoon of coriander powder. One-fourth tablespoon of garam masala powder, ginger and garlic paste, and juice of half lemon. Now for that crispy crust, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, you can use gram flour as well. Now let's bind it by using 1 tablespoon of raw mustard oil. I think I've skipped that in the video, but we have to use raw mustard oil. So finally, this is the consistency. Now let's apply it all over the fish on both the sides. Do remember one thing, we don't have to use water in the marinade. You just have to mix it by using lemon juice and mustard oil. Apply it properly on both the sides using your hands. Just give some good massage to your fishes. After we are done with marination, we have to keep it in refrigerator at least for half an hour. So I have kept it in the fridge. Now let's heat the pan. Here I am using grill pan. You can use normal pan as well. We'll be putting around 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and brush it all over the pan, and once it's hot, we'll put our fishes. With the help of the spatula, now we'll turn our fishes halfway so that the sides are also cooked well. This fish generally takes around 10 minutes to get cooked on both the sides. 7 to 10 minutes depending upon the weight of the fish. And now slowly just flip it over and let it cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. Sprinkle some coriander while it's cooking, and then you can serve it hot like a starter or with your dinner or just like that. I'm serving this fish with slice of onions, lemon and green chutney. If you don't get pink perch, you can use this marinade in any of the fishes you like. I have used mustard oil and mustard seeds both, so this fish will have some good pungent flavor in it. And our crispy, crusty pink perch, pan-seared pink perch is ready. I hope you liked the recipe. Do try this at your home and let us know in the comment section. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching the videos from Nupur's Kitchen. Happy cooking!